Auto-formatting options in Excel. Auto-formatting in Excel. The auto-format is a feature of Excel through which we can create our own styles or can use the ready-made style or formats that are available in the Excel. Features of auto-formatting. It helps to give a professional look to the worksheets. It improves the readability of the worksheet. Saves time. Steps to auto-format a worksheet. Go to the Format menu and choose the Auto Format option. Choose the format that you want to apply. Click on OK button. Modify the style. We can also modify the style by creating our own style of formatting. We can create our own font size, color, alignment, type of font and can store it as a style in the system. To add or modify the style, we need to take the following steps. Click on Format menu and choose the Style option. Type a new name for the style in the Style name box. To change the style of an existing worksheet, choose the style from the available style options. Click on Modify. Select the formats that you want to apply. Click on OK. Clear the checkbox for any type of formats that are not to be included in the style. To define and apply the style to the selected cells, click OK.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.